Initiate helmet. Assign 2500 drop. November, Alpha, Foxtrot, Delta, Sierra, Copy. Ayotetiliko. Channel command protocol link Starlink. Initiate code Delta. Protection units 50. Surveillance units 2500. Facial recognition system. Initiate. Assignment feature facial adaptation. Link command protocol. Initiate. Repeat. Latitude -17.82162.880. Initiate. Longitude 31.04922590. Initiate. Initiate vocal processing. Initiate code Foxtrot. Coordination, latitude, longitude, coordinates, locked in. Tatopedza so. Zvimwe zvinhu vanhu vanotitanga kuti tikwire ndege so. Tifambe nzira yese kuenda kuAfrica kunosolve a problem. You see. Oh yes, initiate helmet. Command glasses. You see. Isusu basa redu mabasa akasiyana siyana so. Uona kamera inokutora iri kuchitungwiza, iwe unotonuko zvese tichitozviona mumaglazo. Ndakagara zvangu kwandakagara. Isusu tinouya ka1 hatidzoke.
Our final test. This is our final test to make sure everything is working well. Everything should be working. Because there's no problem. GPS is able to find out that everything is in place. All our coordinates are all set.
Yeah, zvinhu zvinorema izvi. Tikutofamba so. Tikutosvika.